Hello, everyone. Welcome to the UltFone channel. If your iPad is stuck in the boot loop interface, touching the screen does not respond, and long pressing the power button does not respond, don't worry. In this video, I will teach you 3 simple ways to fix the problem of iPad stuck in the boot loop. Let's dive in. Reasons for stuck in the boot loop. Usually, the stuck boot loop is caused by the following reasons. 1. iOS system problems. 2. Hardware problems. 3. Software conflict. 4. Insufficient storage space. After figuring out the cause, let's see how to fix it. Method 1. Hard reset your iPad. No data loss. First, we use the hard reset method to try to solve this problem. The operation method is as follows. For iPad with Face ID, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Then your iPad will complete the restart. Sometimes, just such a simple method may solve your problem. If the forced restart doesn't work, it may be a deeper system problem. Don't worry, follow my pace and watch the video below. Method 2. Use UltFone iOS system repair. No data loss and easy. Since hard reset doesn't work, we have to use the professional tool UltFone to solve it. You can use it to fix more than 150 iOS system problems without losing data. Things like stuck on Apple logo, stuck in boot loop, black screen, etc. are not its opponents. You can download it from the link below the video. It is also very simple to use. First, you just need to connect your iPad to the computer. Then open UltFone and click the Start Repair button. Select the standard repair option. Then put your iPad into recovery mode according to the software prompts. The same as the previous forced restart button sequence, but continue to hold the power button after the screen turns black until you see the recovery mode screen. After entering recovery mode, follow the software prompts to download the corresponding firmware so that the software can help you fix the system problem. Wait patiently for about 10 minutes. The download speed depends on your network speed. After waiting for the firmware to download, click Start Standard Repair. The software will start to help you fix deeper system problems. Wait for the repair to complete. I believe the problem of being stuck in the boot loop has been solved. This method is very useful when you want a worry-free process that will not endanger your data. Method 3. Restore iPad using iTunes data loss. If none of the above methods work, you can only consider resetting the iPad using iTunes to solve the problem. First, connect the iPad to the computer using a data cable and put the iPad into recovery mode as before. After entering recovery mode, open iTunes and you should see the option to restore or update the device. If you don't want to update the system like me, just click Restore. Then download the corresponding firmware according to the prompts of iTunes. This will erase all your data and settings. Therefore, before doing this, I recommend that you back up important data in advance to prevent data loss. After the reset is completed, your iPhone will restart. After following these methods, your iPhone will definitely be back to normal. Well, that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will post more videos on iPhone tips and technical fixes. See you next time.